Imagine never worrying about money again. No more living paycheck to paycheck. No more fear of losing your job. No more wondering if you'll ever retire. What if I told you there's a dead simple plan that works for almost anyone, rich or poor, young or old, and it's proven to build real wealth over time? This isn't hype. This isn't get rich quick. This is the exact strategy J.L. Collins used to become financially free, and it's in his book, The Simple Path to Wealth. If you're ready to stop stressing about money forever, stick around. This 5-minute summary will change how you think about wealth. Hit that like button if you're ready to get financially free, and subscribe to Money Mindset Summary right now so you never miss a life-changing book breakdown. J.L. Collins starts with the brutal truth. Most people stay broke, not because they don't earn enough, but because they don't keep what they earn. A system is designed to keep you in debt. Credit cards, car loans, big houses, fancy vacations, all liabilities that drain your wealth. Collins says, wealth is not about how much you make it, it's about how much you keep and how hard it works for you. His big idea? Build wealth the boring way. Spend less than you earn, invest the difference in the stock market, and let time and compound interest do the heavy lifting. Sounds too simple? That's the point. Complexity is the enemy of wealth. Here's the exact 4-step plan Collins lays out. First, avoid debt like the plague. Debt is the fastest way to stay poor. Credit card debt, student loans, car loans, they all eat your future wealth. The rule is simple. If you can't pay cash, don't buy it. Now, an exception can be a low-rate mortgage, but only if you're not house poor, meaning the payments aren't stretching you thin. Second, spend less than you earn. This is the golden rule. The gap between what you earn and what you spend creates your savings rate. The higher your savings rate, the faster you reach financial independence. Collins points out that a 50% savings rate means you can retire in about 17 years. Even a 20% savings rate gets you there in 37 years. It's a powerful metric. Third, invest the difference in index funds. Forget about picking individual stocks, day trading, or listening to hot tips from your uncle. Collins recommends one thing: low-cost, total stock market index funds like VTI or VTSAX. Why these? Well, they own a piece of almost every company in the market, so you're incredibly diversified. Historically, they've beaten 95% of professional fund managers over time. And the fees are tiny, often just 0.03 to 0.04%. You just buy, hold, and ignore all the market noise. And the fourth step? Let time and compounding do the rest. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. For example, if you invest $500 a month and get an average 7% return, you'll have about $1 million in 40 years. The earlier you start, the richer you can retire. Collins's key message here is that the stock market has always gone up in the long run. Don't panic during market crashes. See them as buying opportunities. One of the most powerful parts of the book is the concept of fee-shoo money. It's not about being a millionaire or buying a yacht. It's about having enough money saved up so you can walk away from any situation that doesn't serve you. A bad job, a toxic boss, you name it. Once you have that FU money, you are truly free. You work because you want to, not because you have to. That is real financial freedom, and it's achievable for anyone who follows this simple path. It's about taking back control of your life. Collins also destroys a lot of common money myths. Myth number 1. You need a high income to get rich. The reality? High earners often just spend more and stay broke. It's about your savings rate, not your salary. Myth number 2. You need to time the market: buy low, sell high. The reality is that time in the market beats timing the market every single time. Stay invested. Myth number 3. Stocks are too risky. The reality is that over the long term, cash and bonds are actually riskier because their value gets eaten away by inflation. And the biggest myth: you need to be a financial genius to do this. The reality? This path is so simple, a child could follow it. That's the beauty of it. So what's new for 2025? In the revised edition, Collins doubles down on his core message. With inflation still a concern and markets feeling volatile, the boring path is still the best path. His advice is crystal clear. Keep investing, even through crashes. Stay the course. The market has rewarded patience and consistency for over 100 years, and there's no reason to believe that will change. The principles are timeless for a reason. If you're serious about building real wealth without stress, without complexity, and without gambling, this is the book for you. The simple path to wealth isn't sexy, but it works. Thank you so much for watching. If this summary helped you see money differently, smash that LIKE button right now. Subscribe to Money Mindset Summary and hit the bell so you never miss a powerful book breakdown that can change your life. Drop a comment below. Are you ready to start your simple path to wealth today? Full links to the book and my other summaries are in the description. Keep growing your money mindset, and I'll see you in the next one.